Hi, I'm Evan Morris with Atlanta Ceramic Coating and Paint Protection Film. Today we're actually talking about the differences between paint protection film and vinyl. Now there's two types of paint protection film that we install here. You've got your gloss, which is going to be the choice that you would make for a standard paint just to protect the front end from rock chips and any abrasions that would be easily healed out with a heat gun. Now the second type of film that we install here is a matte film. So if you're wanting to keep your factory color on your car, but want that aesthetic look of a matte car, we can install bumper to bumper matte. You can also match your factory stealth paints and matte paints that come from the factory. So with a matte film install, it's a little bit more involved. Obviously we're having to cover from edge to edge. We wrap as many edges as possible. And as it is with this truck behind me, we've now effectively changed the entire look of the vehicle by just dulling out the sheen by using this film. So now the question would be, why would I want to turn my car matte with the use of paint protection film over using just the standard vinyl? Now if you're happy with the color of your car and you just want to make it matte, that's the beauty of the paint protection film. It's actually clear and it just mattes out your factory color. The main advantage of covering your car in a paint protection film is the thickness of the film and the resilience in day-to-day use, but also the longevity. So you've got a film that is 8 mils thick. It's more than double than any vinyl that we install here. It's also self-healing and has the added advantage of protecting against rock chips. So the main benefit of doing a vinyl is that you have a myriad of colors that are offered by multiple manufacturers. But the vinyl doesn't protect like the paint protection film does. It's more susceptible to rock chips and marring when you're doing your washes. So for instance, this job behind me, we did a bumper to bumper paint protection film. So when we're doing a delete of any gloss, a lot of times the versatility of vinyl comes in handy. So we do offer a chrome delete package. A lot of these manufacturers are putting these cars out with chrome trim. Not everybody wants it, so we're happy to cover that in a vinyl for you. On this truck, we've done a chrome delete on the grille, the mirrors, belt moldings, and a few other pieces that look a little bit better being black. So to recap, if you're looking to do a complete color change on your car, vinyl is going to be a great option for you. Looking for protection but don't want to change the aesthetic, gloss PPF. But if you're looking for the ultimate protection and that benefit of a different aesthetic from bumper to bumper, matte PPF is going to be what you want to go with.